Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. Today we've got Louis Vuitton versus quality control, ding ding, round 2. I called client services straight after filming my last attempt at unboxing this particular piece. They were pretty good and they arranged for it to be collected the following day, and it was collected. I did have to then go and place the replacement order online. I can't quite remember why, because I did ask if we could do the replacement order right there and then. I think it might have been me. I think it might have been me saying, do you know what, it's always out of stock, so I'll just keep my eyes open. They said, oh, it's showing as in stock right now, but I wanted to add something else to the order. So that's a whole other story coming soon. So anyway, I got my refund and my replacement piece came, and we're going to do this. We're going to see what the state of this one is. Now, as you can see, this is a true unboxing. I prefer to do true unboxings with you. That way you get to see the full kind of first impressions, the shock, the surprise, the awe, the disappointment. Although it does mean I can get a little bit distracted checking over the item, but I don't think you mind, do you? Let me know if you do in the comment section down below. Also, let me know if you enjoy this video by giving it the thumbs up love, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe, ring my bell, be notified when I upload more silliness, shenanigans, ramblings. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, that's the shameless self-promotion done. Let's get into the box. Is it going to work this time? It worked! It worked this time. Okay, you can look first this time. You can look first. Oh. I got the ribbon again. Oh, how exciting. This is the usual Louis Vuitton shipping box, and I really like the way these bits here fold in. Stops them from flying around the place. Oh, that's a really snazzy idea. The usual receipt gubbins, but there's also the thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton card. And I thought I would share this with you because it does kind of make me laugh a little bit. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with the finest materials. Crafted by experienced artisans. Do we actually believe that anymore? Do we? Okay, let's do this. Let's see if this is... No, this isn't going to work today. Oh, is it? It might. It might. Oh, it might. Oh, it did. Yay! Okie dokie. Smooth running box again. Oh. I'm too scared to open it. Okay, let's get in and have a look. This feels to me a little bit like having to rip off a plaster or something. Well, it's the right product, so that's a start. And here we go. There she is, the reverse monogram card holder. And yes, I am going to give it the quick once over, so bear with me, caller. Okay kids, I think we have a winner. The glazing looks good. The only thing I could say is it looks a little bit wonky. I think once you've got cards in there, that's probably not going to be too much of an issue. I can't see any scratches to the canvas or anything. The stitching looks good. And again, this one is made in France. We could be good to go with this one. Well done, Louis Vuitton, for getting something right. There you go. This one worked. All's well that ends well. I'm going to give it a little road test. I was still a little bit concerned about it being so long, but I think in handbags that's not going to matter, and it is actually thinner than my Gucci, so I'm going to see how I get on. I've got to pop out later today, so I'm going to use it straight away and see what I make of this 3-slot card holder. And yeah, I will probably let you know on Instagram whether I'm keeping it or not. I think I am going to keep it because, to be honest, I do like my SLGs to all kind of match. There is something really quite nice about opening up a bag and seeing all your little SLGs all matching. I think that's really, really cute. I know it's on the inside of the bag and no one else can see apart from you, but it makes me smile every time I open a bag. Now, I did also like, and I do also like, opening up my bag and seeing lots of different colours and flavours of SLGs, but mostly I'm using my mini pochette accessoire and either my clay or my 4-key holder and my round coin purse, although I haven't been using that a lot because we're not really using coins at the moment. So the only thing that has stood out and been a little bit different is my black leather Gucci Marmont card case. Okay, so it's time to pop a couple of cards in and take this little cutie for a spin. I will leave it there. We'll keep this a short video today. You're welcome. You can show your gratitude by giving this video the thumbs up love, hitting that subscribe button, ringing my bell, and I will see you for the next video. Until then, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!